Close your eyes. Breathe into this moment. Feel the pulse of the earth beneath you. I am profoundly grateful for all that I have, for the seen and the unseen blessings flowing into my life right now. I am the magnet for miracles. I am health. I am the infinite center of abundance and prosperity. The universe conspires in my favor. My path is clear. My steps are guided by pure light. I welcome the extraordinary with open arms today and every day. I align with my highest soul's purpose. I am worthy. I am enough. And so it is.